For the banded rows, we're gonna go ahead and go with a heavier band. You need some sort of stable surface like a bed frame, maybe a door, or in my case, I have this rack here, but anything that's going to stay stable and not move as you pull on the band. Okay, you're gonna wanna wrap this band around and in through itself to anchor it in. Another way that you can anchor this band down is if you do have a heavy object, you can stick that band underneath one corner of it, okay? But for my purposes, I'm just going to have it wrapped around the rack. All right, so we're gonna start off with thumbs up, gripping evenly on the band. I wanna get my upper body in an upright position, and I can have my shoulders slightly rolled forward, and my legs are doing nothing. I'm just sitting down on my butt. Now, we're gonna pull our hands into our ribs, and as we pull, our thumbs are facing up and out. Elbows are staying in nice and close to the body the entire time. They're not out super wide. In close, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and back out in control. Squeeze together, back out in control. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the banded rows. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.